Hey guys, Alex Jonathan White here, back in another Alex Jonathan White vlogs. Today's my last day of doing school, and then tomorrow, straight to mock exams, which quite literally decide my fate in life. All at the age of 16. I thought my last sort of day, even though it's not the GCSEs, it's still the mocks, it's still intense. If I do well on my mocks, I don't need to do more revision. But if I don't do that well, more revision. So, don't like that. Either way, I thought I'd spend this last day with friends, so I've been cooped up in the house. Incorrect. Everyone's busy. So what do I do instead? Just take a wander. I've said before I like my wanders. And I still do. It's just peaceful. It is. And you'll be surprised at how much encounters you can have on your wanders. For example, a woman was trying to get her pram up some steps. I was able to step in and help. I found some glasses, a purse, and some skizzers. And I said to this person, "Is this yours?" They said no. But they kept the skizzers because, an adult, that could have been dangerous, couldn't it? And where am I right now? My road, mostly surrounded by nature. It's very tranquil. There's a river. Apart from that, nowhere. And I enjoy that. I'm actually being serious. This is very peaceful, and I like it very much. It just gives you a lot of time to calm down, really. I honestly don't have too much to say. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Remember to like, subscribe, ring that bell. If you haven't already, make sure you comment. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.